If they want the smoke, then yeah, it's no jokes, boy, it's up. In the end zone, that's a TD, we finessing Chubb. Filling up the stat sheets and they knowing that's a plus. Back to back, highlight plays, all my moves is tough. Watch
What's going on YouTube? I'm 16K, aka Young 16, and I'm back with another video. If you've never seen my face before, I'm a vlogger, and you know, I talk about life sometimes, so if that's what you're interested in, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, damn nigga, it's been a minute. It's been a while, man. I haven't been on YouTube for a long while because simply, as I always say, man, I've just been grafting. It's the truth though. Money out for a run. Nonetheless, I'm moving back to uni. I already moved in, back to uni sort of, but I'm moving the rest of my stuff, you feel me? I have got a couple errands to run. I've got a few things to do real quick, so I'm just gonna sort those things out, but I catch y'all niggas soon, man. Anyways, before I leave, let's give it a quick little drip check. Nothing crazy today, just wearing a black tech, you feel me? And I'm wearing my wave runners too. Yes, I'm wearing my wave runners with a night tech. I do not care about what anybody has to say. My train is at 5 and it's currently 12, so I need to go ASAP-ish, you feel me? So let's go. So I go to Oxford Street because I had to go to this dope shop called Buxton, where I exchanged my tea. As you can see, it fits great. I then got a Starbucks and I went home. Okay, so guys, I got home about an hour ago and it's currently 4:08. My train leaves at 5:02, so I need to leave. Yeah, man, it's time for me to go. It's the next day from the last couple of clips, you feel me? And to be honest, I don't really know what this video is. Really and truly, been on YouTube for so long. And sometimes I do get like messages about my videos, people telling me I need to upload more, or people telling me that they enjoy watching my videos. But I'm so inconsistent with this shit that I'm not really sure if anybody is still checking for my shit. But nonetheless, it's a new year or a new academic year. And frankly, all the pressures, I'll be real, if you grow up in London, one thing like, I'm not sure about everybody, but if you grow up in London, you're around a certain kind of people, then put it simply, you just need to get money, bro. You put your attention to what's paying you. One thing is true, yeah, you need to have money in this life. These last 3-4 months have just been me grafting. I set myself a goal when I'm done with uni, and to be honest with you, I'm a lot closer to that goal than what I thought I would be. So I can give this more attention, you feel what I'm saying? But nonetheless, welcome to my new yard. This is my kitchen. This is my little yard still. Flatmate ain't here. My flatmate is Corey. Got a bit of a cold right now. I went to a motive the other day and when I came back, mez up, you feel me? I would show you lot around here, but it's not completely put together, the crib, so I'll pick up the camera when I pick up the camera. So, it is much later on in the day. My room is looking a little bit more, it looks a little bit more like a room. I'm just gonna put you lot up here. I have a desk to build. I've got a medium.
To be ugly, you're not good looking.
Or IKEA joint. This has got to be the most everywhere vlog. Cole Buxton for the tea. Cole Buxton for the tea. Tea's is good quality, you feel me? Let's put this desk together. I'm gonna go get the box. Not that heavy. Not that heavy. I'm gonna put this joint together. This is just like a catch up, little, you know what I'm saying? Like, you feel me? Back on the tube ting. The lighting in this crib is great. Trim is trimming. I look good, you feel me? I post cool pictures. I'm gonna put some on the screen right now. Ow, ow. I'm gonna put this together and then pick up the camera. I've just finished building my desk. Da 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 da. Yeah, blah blah. This is my desk. It looks meaty, I know. That was so tedious. There was nothing steady about building that desk. The time is currently midnight and I got a 9 AM. Bedtime for Young 16, man. I'll wake up tomorrow. Corey should be back, and I'll give you like a proper tour of the crib. You feel me? Corey's finally back.
I don't even look at the camera, I'm too embarrassed. What are you doing? Hey, get this nigga out of my face, bro.
This man trying to act so cool right now. He's not this cool. He's about to eat Tesco's finest. Buffalo mozzarella and sun-soaked tomatoes.
I can't be serious.
His white nigga eats.
That's a white nigga eats. What? Pizza? Why don't I eat pizza?
Sun-smoked killing.
Where's the manufacturer?
Touch the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. I'm the one that's meant to be known for meaty eats.
What do you mean meaty eats? I've got to test this finest pizza!
Gastro.
Best you
Triple
can
cook. £3 chips, £5 pizza. Pizza's still whack.
What did you eat?
I cooked a gourmet chicken. I I even said to myself, I need to record it, yeah. If you know about me, you know about my cookies. I'm better than you. I'm better than you. You can't even cook. You can't even cook. No. I ain't never seen this nigga season a damn thing in his life. Name your season right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Couldn't say nothing.
Nigga like me, bro. I've got jerk seasoning. I've got everyday seasoning.
Where is it?
Lazy, bro. Don't cook, bro.
I got jack seasoning. I got nothing in this cupboard.
This off me. I don't get me on the media right now. Moschino, heavy kilos.
What do you know about fucking GU?
No, Moschino, heavy kilos. What are you wearing underneath there, bro?
Primark.
Designer only one here, baby.
Look how shallow the youth have become.
All they care about design and labelled brands, eh? Changed it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Life, bro.
We have got no food, like none.
Oh, we do have food to add.
What have you got?
Breaded.
Chicken Kievs. He's got breaded chicken. Ooh, breaded chicken! Bro, are you gonna eat that right now? Bro, this is the reality of life. We're at uni right now, bro. Okay, this is the reality. We're gonna go shopping.
Anyways, I'm just gonna finish it now. Show the shoes as well.
The shoes. Let him tidy up his room. Little crib tour, you feel me? This guy. We need to go. We're gonna go little soon because I've got no food and need to do a cheeky shop store. So yeah. I told this guy to walk up there like he's cool. I'm keeping that shit in. We're going to Aldi because they're doing. So as you guys saw, right now I'm receiving pancakes right now, you feel me? It's good eats. This is Saturday morning, I can't complain in life. I'm happy right now. Do you know what really gets on my nerves? When you see niggas eating pancakes and shit in movies, that shit be looking so lame. When you make pancakes, they just don't look that great. Like, they just don't look as great as they do in the film. But nonetheless, guys, I'm trying to finish this video right now. It's difficult though. Uni's union. I'm just back getting used to being in the city and doing uni shit and stuff like that. And I've even struggled to keep up with uni. Like, uni life this year and last year is two different things. And give you a proper introduction to my introduction to secondary, you feel me? But yeah, man, on this fine Saturday morning, I'm grateful in life. Be grateful in life. The reason why I say that is because no matter how crazy and tough your life may be, somebody somewhere got that shit way worse than you, bro. And I'm not saying that to like downplay the mad things that you may or may not be going through. But what I am saying is that things should be worse. So be grateful for what you have, you feel me? The more grateful you are, the more you receive anyway.
Sometimes I just look at my window and think, damn, nigga, I made it, nigga.
Okay guys, it's the present day, you feel me, finally. This is the part that I clickbaited you lot with, the house tour. So we're starting off in Corey's bedroom, you feel me, I'm sitting on his chair. This is his setup. Corey's a photographer, you feel me, I'm gonna put something for his pictures on the screen, he's cold. Go bet that nigga, you feel me. They gave us king size beds, you feel me, real useful. This crib that we have, it has 2 bathrooms, you know what I'm saying.
Hey yo, what's on your toilet?
From up top.
Something like that?
What the fuck is in that toilet? Oh my god.
I couldn't share a bathroom with this nigga. Like, we're both too messy. I make my own mess and he makes his. Now into the living space, you feel me? You lot have probably already seen this. We got this comfy ass couch, we got Corey's TV. Most of the stuff in this crib is his. Come over here to the kitchen, you feel me? Nice little fridge, state of the art. Built in, can't go wrong. Nice little foods in there, you know. I like to cook, I like to. Yeah, I'm really smooth in the kitchen. Unlike the nigga behind the camera. This is his cupboard, no practical food in there. My cupboard, couple seasonings and that, you know. Captain Morgan's for the bitches. Now, we're in my bedroom.
The meatiest room in the house.
My bedroom is more homely. Got this nice
that one rug.
I got this nice ass
I think this house is a home because it has that one meaty little rug.
It is homely, thank you very much. Onto my bathroom. It's a bit steamy in here. Feel me? Because I had one up here. It had one. It's just smooth, you feel me? Ensuite bathrooms. Yeah, little drips over here. Hoodies you can't get. Jackets you can't get. You feel me?
Anyone can get this.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. Corey literally needs to leave now. So thank you a lot for watching. Alright, so guys, I've already outroed this video, but didn't like it, so we're doing it again. If you made it this far to the video, I just want to thank you a lot for watching. Obviously, been away from YouTube for a long while, but hopefully if you enjoyed the video, you'll leave a like and you'll subscribe to the channel, you feel me? I've got a lot of content coming, hopefully. Make sure to share with your friends and shit, you feel me? But that's all I have to say, so yeah.